One of the most effective ways to lead people is to become a master communicator. To achieve this, you must be able to recognize and deploy the leadership style that is most appropriate to a given situation. Let's explore the 6 different leadership styles that can be deployed in the workplace. 1. Visionary. The visionary leadership style has one goal: providing a long-term vision and direction for your employees. The leader sets the vision for the organization and then takes a step back, allowing their employees to get to work. 2. Amiable. The amiable leadership style is the people come first style. The focus of the leader is weighting towards the people in their team rather than the team's performance, and as such, the leader creates a high-trust environment where everybody feels psychologically safe. 3. Coaching. The coaching leadership style, believe it or not, involves a lot of coaching or mentoring. The style aims to contribute towards the long-term professional development of employees and as a result, creates a learning and supportive environment for employees to grow within. 4. Collaborative. The collaborative leadership style is all about the leader bringing their employees along with them on every step of the journey. The style focuses on inclusion and aims to promote harmony and commitment amongst employees. 5. Pace setting. The pace setting leadership style is all about high standards, achieving goals and objectives, and accomplishing a high standard of excellence. 6. Directive. The directive leadership style is characterized by a top-down decision-making process and a do-as-I-say approach. The primary objectives of this leadership style are to provide clear, one-way direction and to obtain immediate compliance from employees. As a leader, you'll recognize and resonate with most of these leadership styles. However, you are likely to have 1 or 2 default styles that you unconsciously display, and the other styles will be more of a conscious choice. In order to truly excel in your role as a leader, you must be able to recognize and deploy the leadership style that is most appropriate to a given situation. Being aware of the leadership styles highlighted in this T2 short will help you to become more effective and successful as a leader.